Hello and welcome back to Gossipfunda, and in this video we're gonna talk about an issue of the game Marvel Rivals. So the Marvel Rivals game is showing an error 2103 which is not allowing the players to play the game. Some players also getting the message that operation frequency too high. So in this video we're gonna talk about this error and also we will find some ways to fix it. So on the basis of the information available, error 2103 is related to server-side issues, which means that this is a game-side issue rather than individual player setup, and the message operation frequency too high means that the game's server are experiencing a high volume of requests, which leading to connection problems. In simple words, you can say that the servers are overloaded, and in order to fix this issue, first of all check your server status, and the official Marvel Rivals Discord server is best place to find up-to-date information on server status and any ongoing issues. Secondly, restart your game and the client. A simple restart to your game and your gaming client can resolve temporary connection glitches. The next thing you have to do is that you have to restart your network devices. Restart your router to ensure a stable internet connection. Also make sure to verify the integrity of the game file. You can easily verify it from Steam. But since this is a server side issue, the best solution may be to wait and let developers to resolve the problem. So I hope this video was useful to you. Make sure to like, share and subscribe.